Good afternoon, everybody. It's nice and cold outside here in January. Up here to Owl's Head, up in Toby Stinson with our good friend, my good friend Eli English. And we're with one of his historic automobiles that is going to be on display here for the winter. And it is a 1931 Ford Hot Rod, started 31 Ford body. What's really unique about this is we have a lot of programs going on here at our museum about young kids, young engineers. This was finished in 1947, a home-built hot rod, and Eli, it was started by an 11-year-old, and he finished it when he was 13. Is that correct?
Yep. Yeah, it's a very innovative car. It's got a lot of really unique features to it that are, even to today's standards, are kind of far out there. So it's really neat to see that a car was built that early with this type of ingenuity, I guess.
Oh yeah. Oh, Vito. Look at the size of that thing too.
I got a boat like that. It runs on 5. It runs. It's a 2-stroke. It runs on 5 cylinders. The piston's out there going like this, flopping around. They will break off eventually.
So this is all the history of it. And this is the guy who built it originally with me back in the day. That was from 2016. I preserved it. I left the car the way I found it, and then just because it kind of earned all its patina, you know what I mean? If I was to restore this car, all this would go away. And you can see like the type of work that what they worked with back in the day was, when they welded, it was with a coat hanger and a torch. So it's not like today where they take a MIG weld and they weld it, so you can actually see all that welding on the inside. That's just kind of, if you restore the car, that kind of all goes away. This is the guy when he was 10. That's his father. And this was in California. They were trying to buy that car. And from the lady standing right there.
So where was this found?
I found it in Massachusetts, but it was built in Rome, New York.
Why don't we start it up? I'd love to hear what it sounds like.
So come visit us here at the Owl's Head Transportation Museum. What amazing. It's a really cool car, the early Ford Fatheads. But again, I think the most important part of this, Eli, is we all have kids, young kids, old kids, my kids. Hey, mom and dad on board. Listen, There's nothing that says that because you're 10, 11, or 12, you can't use some ingenuity and create something. Doesn't have to be a car. Go make some rolled ice cream for all I care, but do something productive and use your mind and imagination. And this is really neat.
Yeah, thank you.
So thanks for sharing it with us, Eli.
Thanks for letting me put it here.